Fourth graders, I'm going to teach you how to use a tool, and that is called the Place Value Houses Graphic Organizer. So when you use this, yours will be in a sheet, so you can write on it. You don't actually pull out of the sheet and write on it, but you draw a card, and you can fill in numbers, so I'm just going to pull a 1 there, a 2 there, a 4. Okay, so to read these, what you do, I should explain this a little more. These are houses, and they represent each period. So they're showing the ones, the tens, the hundreds. Then if you look at the next period, the thousands, it's showing 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then you look at the million, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Then billion and trillion. And we're not going to really worry about billion and trillion right now. This is a pretty easy method to read large numbers. So to read a number, you just read the 3-digit number within each house and then say the house's last name. So 421. So the 100 is the last name. If I put a number in the thousands, the last name is 1,000. So I'd say 5,421. Let's say that I have a 7 here. So now it would be 75,421. So notice I'm reading that 75 and then the numbers in the next house. I can add a number here. Now I'm going to read 975,000, the last name, 421. Let's even take it a step further with millions. So 4,975,421.